Are you tired of limited housing options in Bellevue? The tech boom is making it hard to find your dream home. New construction is the perfect solution for homebuyers like you. With modern amenities tailored to your lifestyle, new homes provide the latest technology and styles. Enjoy energy-efficient features that save you money on utilities while contributing to a greener planet. Plus, you can customize your home during the building process, creating a space that fits your unique needs. What sets Bellevue's new construction apart? Lower maintenance costs mean you can spend your time enjoying life instead of worrying about repairs. Most builders offer warranties to protect your investment, providing peace of mind for years to come. Market trends show that demand is skyrocketing. Tech growth is driving buyers, and urban developments are on the rise. With stunning neighborhoods like downtown Bellevue and Bellevue, you'll find the community that suits your lifestyle. What about financing? Understanding your mortgage options is key. Locking in low rates can save you money. Work with builders' lenders for potential perks, but always compare with other lenders. Pre-approval can streamline the process, getting you one step closer to your new home. The average price of a home in Bellevue is climbing, making now the right time to invest. Are you ready to take the next step? Contact us today. We have the expertise to guide you through securing your perfect new home financing. Your dream home in Bellevue, Washington awaits.